Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about jeans, but not just any jeans. I want to see how stylish women wear jeans and what makes their style look special and perfect. With the onset of the fall season, jeans become a mainstay of many looks, from home parties to stylish walks in the city. But the difference between a casual style and a really stylish style is in the details. The colors you pair them with, the textures you choose, and the mood you create. So today, we're going to look at how we can look stylish, purposeful, and truly eye-catching when wearing jeans, just like stylish women. Number 1. Denim with red clothes. The combination of denim and red has a romantic and special feel. It is always stylish and never goes out of style. A bold, nostalgic, and energetic combination that is reminiscent of the style of classic French women. Those who looked dignified, even in simple clothes. Red next to blue denim conveys a sense of confidence and zest for life. Your entire outfit doesn't have to be red. Just a red bag, shoes, or scarf is enough to liven up your style. Denim naturally neutralizes color, so the combination always looks wearable and stylish. Sometimes just one bold color is enough to make you look more special. Number 2. Denim with cropped jackets. Short jackets and coats are all the rage this season, especially those made of faux leather, suede, or cowl-necked models. These jackets are perfect with high-waisted jeans because they accentuate the waist and make the body look longer. Unlike long jackets that cover the rest of the outfit, cropped models let the underwear shine through and add depth to the style. For example, a cropped suede jacket over light denim adds warmth and softness, or black leather instantly modernizes your look. For an interesting contrast, you can wear a satin or lace top under a cropped jacket. The combination of the softness of these fabrics with the sturdy texture of leather or suede makes your style even more special. Stylish women know exactly how to combine softness and boldness. Number 3. Jeans with browns. Pairing jeans with brown tones is always a stylish choice. Shades like chocolate, camel, espresso, or taupe add warmth and depth to a simple look, transforming it into a cozy, expensive look. Browns soften the contrast of harsh colors and give an outfit a calm and balanced feel. You can consider these colors as the basis for your fall color palette, as they coordinate with every skin tone and every style of denim, from a brunch out to a cozy evening with friends. For example, if you're wearing white or linen jeans, add a brown suede jacket to instantly make your look fall-ready and chic. Or even use browns in accessories like a caramel or chocolate belt, handbag, or boots. It's the little details that make a big difference. They keep everything looking harmonious and natural without overpowering the outfit. Number 4. Denim with knits. Fall is incomplete without knits, and there's nothing quite like pairing denim with knits. A sweater, a cardigan, or a turtleneck, whatever it is, when paired with denim, it creates a wonderful combination of comfort and elegance. Simplicity, warmth, and that effortlessly chic feel are right there. Stylish women know that the secret to style isn't in the flash. It's in the ability to mix and match simple pieces. Knits are so versatile. You can wear them for everyday wear, or dress them up with fabrics like cashmere or soft wool. Neutral colors like beige, cream, gray, or camel will give your style a sense of calm and luxury, while thicker textures add depth and warmth. If you love loose sweaters, Don't forget to pair them with straight or skinny jeans to balance out your style. Conversely, if your jeans are loose, wear a more fitted knit to balance them out. It's all about proportion. Number 5. Denim with simple layering. One of the easiest yet most stylish ways to style denim is to layer your clothes. When done right, your look will give off the "I didn't try hard, but I'm still stylish" vibe. Pairing denim with basic items like a shirt, jacket, turtleneck, or blazer creates a natural, measured look. True style is about balance, not excess. Simple doesn't have to mean boring. A pair of jeans with a classic shirt under a blazer or raincoat instantly looks more stylish. Or a simple t-shirt under a wool coat looks minimal and modern. The key is to mix textures and tones in a way that lets the simplicity of your outfit highlight your personal style. A great example? A woman wearing loose jeans, a white button-down shirt, a black jacket, and a gray sweater draped loosely over her shoulders. Simple, but full of elegance and confidence. Number 6. Jeans on jeans. The jeans on jeans style is an old trend that never goes out of style. It just takes on a new look every season. Whether it's a denim jacket with jeans or a denim shirt with matching pants, this combination always has a special, relaxed energy. The secret to its success lies in the choice of colors and textures, so that everything is harmonious but not too monotonous. For everyday style, use light jeans, and for more special occasions, go for dark jeans. You can add a touch of charm to your style with a bold belt, contrasting bag, or silk scarf. It's these small details that turn a simple denim set into a special and modern combination. Number 7. Choose a shapely jeans. The last and most important tip is to wear jeans that fit perfectly. No matter the brand, if they don't fit you well, the whole look will be ruined. Straight, flared, or tapered styles are usually safe and shapely choices. Avoid styles that are too tight or too loose, and go for fabrics that hold their shape. Jeans should be comfortable and flatter your figure. Once you find the right fit, any outfit you wear with them will instantly look more stylish. A shapely pair of jeans isn't just an outfit, it's a confidence that's embodied in the fabric. Well, my friends, if you liked this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next ones. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which of these jeanie combinations is your favorite? Be sure to let me know in the comments. Thanks for sticking around, beauties. Stay stylish, dress confidently, and I'll see you in the next post.